Well, welcome back. Thought we'd do a quick revisit with the old Volvo here because we've made some decisions about what we're going to do with her, and a bit of a hint is what you see right here. So in a previous video you may have heard that we've stopped losing coolant, which is great, and although we did that compression test and we do know that cylinder 3 is dead, the car still drives okay. It's not perfect, it's a little lumpy, but it's been hauling the family around for the last few weeks, no problems, and it hauls a load like this up a steep hill, no problems. We've given it a few stress tests. We've driven it in the heat, in 30-degree heat, sort of 90-degree heat if you're in the foreign money, and AC flat out, cold with the heat flat out. Everything seems to work. So other than our problem cylinder, the car's pretty good. You know, it's safe. It's 7 seats, it's got lots of space. And so what we've actually decided to do with this Volvo is turn it into our family beach beater. And it's also a bit of a work truck too. So we've got the 7 seats, it can fit the whole family and some friends, and we take it down the beach, and we're full of sand toys and boards and all kinds of things. Kids can get sand in the car and get things wet and stuff like that, and we don't have to worry about it, which means we get to keep our nice family hauler clean and good, and we use that one for long trips and the school runs and things like that. So this is the one that's going to get messy. It's the one that's going to haul the loads from Bunnings, which is the Australian equivalent of Lowe's or Home Depot, and it's just taken almost a full cubic yard of soil and a bunch of chlorine, no problem. Still got a seat up, so it's absorbed that pretty well. It's doing the job. We've been hauling it around. It's been my daily driver now for a few weeks, and it hasn't really missed a beat. Every now and then it doesn't want to start first crank, but normally second crank will do it. And other than that, and the occasional lumpiness in the motor, you wouldn't know, except for the glaring orange check engine light that stares at me every day. But, you know, that's what this channel's all about, is hanging on to your old beaters, giving them as much life as possible. So that head gasket fix seems to have done it. So for now, at least, we will drive it, and as long as we don't start losing coolant again, and as long as it doesn't leave us stranded, then it's earned a place in the fleet. The other cool thing is she doesn't look half bad either, so we're going to haul her up and down to the beach, and she can be my work truck as well, as long as she lasts, and we can have fun in her. We don't have to worry about her too much, and it means we can keep the family hauler over there in a nice clean condition. We don't have to get sand all through it and worry about it too much. So it'll be kept for the school runs and the long haul driving, and then just beating around the beaches here where we live. This will be the one. So welcome to the family, Volvo. You are officially part of the fleet. We're going to keep you around as long as you behave yourself. So the only thing left to do is give her a name. Not sure what to do about that. So if you have any ideas, we'd love to hear from you. Throw it in the comments, or if you know me personally, drop me a message, and we're going to work out what to call this old girl. And hopefully she behaves herself. So this will probably be the last video about the Volvo for a while, because there's really not much left to do other than drive it. And if things change, then we'll hit you up and we'll let you know what's going on. So thanks for following along with this one. We'll catch you on the next one.